The military often deals with sensitive electronic equipment, explosives, and other materials that can be easily damaged or triggered by static electricity. ESD control flooring tiles offer a reliable solution by dissipating static charges and preventing the buildup of electrostatic potential. ESD tiles are made from materials with high electrical resistance, ensuring that any static electricity generated is safely conducted away. They are also durable and able to withstand the harsh conditions often found in military environments, including heavy foot traffic, equipment movement, and exposure to various chemicals. In addition to safety benefits, anti-static flooring tiles can also improve the functionality of military facilities. They can help to reduce interference with electronic equipment, ensuring reliable communication and operation. High-quality static tiles from reputable manufacturers like Y.H.F floors can ensure optimal performance and long-term reliability. In conclusion, anti-static flooring tiles are an essential component for enhanced safety in military applications. That's all for today. See you next time.